Alright guys, so it's been a while since my last fan video. Well, I did a fan video just earlier, but it was a teardown video, not an actual demonstration and review video. But I'm back with one finally. Today we have my 7-inch Holmes Blizzard oscillating fan. And here it is back for a video. So yeah, and these were actually pretty popular back when I was younger. And actually, when I got that Deco Breeze pedestal fan right there, I actually saw the 10-inch version of this, the oscillating one with 3 speeds. I couldn't buy that one though because it was $10, and this one was probably like half the price, only like $5. But yeah, if I would have had enough money, I would have bought it. If I find another one of those ones though, I'll probably get it. But yeah, so there's the front of it. It's got the got everything, even the Holmes logo at the bottom. Swirl cover. I've also cleaned this fan up since the last video. And there's the back of it. 2 speeds, high and low, and the oscillator knob. And the oscillator is broken, of course. You can see that should not be happening. I think that the 10-inch one that I saw would have been oscillating, but this one does not oscillate, which is a shame. And this one is model number HAOF87. Yeah. And of course, it's not a good quality fan because look, it's made in China. It's not thermally protected. I'm not sure why though. I don't like when the oscillator knob goes down. It's just that it's really hard to pull back up. And yeah, whoops. So now I'll go ahead and start the fan up. I'll get this camera back in place. It's plugged in now. I'll start on low speed. It actually moves a pretty good amount of air. It's not being really loud. So as I go through like my air circulator, I have my mom's house because it has this thing with that blade. But yeah. If I put on the oscillation though, nothing. And it does this right now. It slows down and speeds up, which is why I do not run it on oscillation a lot. This stupid oscillator knob is not working with me. It also, but it does seem to move in air. Oh my god, this camera feels swollen. Anyway, let's kick it up to high. Yeah, airflow is not bad. Alright, here's off. Yeah. Oh, oops. Pretty good spin down time for what it is. Yes, thanks for watching. Peace.